most important thing you can do right now is sign up for MEXC. You got 12 days left. They're giving away $9,100. You must use the link in the description to get half price trading fees. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. Let's go back to yesterday. Last hope for Bitcoin upside. Major upside. What did we see today? A Bitcoin pump. We've got about 12 hours left on the discount, the 60% off discount for the leverage trading group. We're killing it. This member made 440%. It's fair to say the group paid for itself. He hit Tomo for 440% on his first trade. We're trying to catch up with emails. We're working all night to make sure we get everybody in the group immediately. But it's the final countdown for the leverage trading group discount. Email cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We'll get you in the group. You follow the leader, right? Because the people that are posting the trades are opening the trades themselves. And so they're calling what they're doing. And they're up 50, 100, 200x. So when you're ready to make a ton of money in this market, put some leverage behind it, and I can help you. Crypto crackdown cleared the way for Fidelity Bakkt Exchange and BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF. What do you think about this? Is this a coincidence? All of a sudden, large financial institutions are making their move right now. I mean, think about it. You got Wall Street giants, Fidelity, digital assets, Charles Schwab, market-making behemoth Citadel Securities. So EDX is going to offer trading on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major digital assets, according to the press release. All of a sudden, we got all these big Wall Street firms coming into crypto right after the runway has been cleared. Coinbase been in trouble this month. Prime example of this enforcement actions going on with the SEC. Obviously, Binance US has had problems as well. And then the big boys who pad the pockets of the politicians enter the stage. So now you've got Bitcoin broken out. And so we've talked about this for an extended period of time. This has been trending lower since April the 13th, right? So you've had this falling wedge and then finally a breakout to the upside. If this does not put in a high higher than this high, then you're going to come back down at least to support, possibly lower, and you'll form another larger falling wedge. Remember, paying attention. You want Bitcoin bulls to hold this level and break above 30,400. Okay. More upside. You need a higher high. You need something different. But what this does is it shows you that the traders in this market are willing to pay more than they did the last time. And that shows bullishness, right? So you have to understand the psychology of these price moves and these patterns, period. I've got these amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. The leverage trading group is killing it. Again, last day, we got about 12 hours left for the discount. So our leverage traders, like I said, our emails, like we're getting constant emails. We're getting them out. We're getting everybody in, no problem. But this person, he said, Chris, the leverage trading group you started is the gift that keeps on giving. These are my 5 trades. 89%, 103%, 62%, 153%, 92%, 98%, 163% over here, 142, 336, 352, 69%. He said, thanks for opening the GEM open internet website. And so basically we're explaining how you can use open interest to find the coins, because open interest identifies where the money is flowing. And then if you see price increasing, volume increasing, like these are the buys. And that's exactly what this person did. Just followed the leader and he killed it. I mean, look, 3x, 6x, really say 7x, 8x, 9x his money in just these trades. Real quick, we'll move it over here. I know that was behind my head, but look, he said, thanks for helping me nail these trades. 350%, 352, 69, 142, 336, 163%. Brand new trader, killing it, because it's like follow the leader. It's crazy. Cannot believe this is happening. People are paying for the group in a week or less. So this is last chance for the discount, 60% off. Leverage Trading Group, ready to bang. This person, Leverage Group, wow, life-changing money. Shout out to all the admins, unbelievable. We're doing live streams, we're doing training videos, and we're doing frequent updates. Now, listen, Bitcoin starts taking off, and it's Bitcoin season, and you still make money the exact same way. However, you can get, and Bitcoin's got to put in a higher high, right? You got to have this higher high for Bitcoin to really take off. But again, you got major players in the waters now. They're dipping their toe in the water and they're ready to take over. And ironic how that works. It's unfortunate, like all these exchanges that helped crypto get to where it's at are getting cut out of the deal, and the SEC is firing at them. Like, what's really going on? Any market manipulation? Anyone? So again, right now, the line is life-changing money happens quick when you're trading with leverage. And I've got some of the top traders calling every single trade, every single move. It's just follow the leader. It's that simple, right? And we're hitting huge gains. I mean, imagine you wake up, you double your money, right? Banging. Bitcoin market cap dominance. So we said, hey, if this breaks out, we're looking for this to potentially kiss the 200. And this is moving up. This means money is going into Bitcoin. Money is flowing into Bitcoin. So right now, almost 51% of all the crypto holdings are Bitcoin. So the altcoins are losing compared to Bitcoin, right? More interest in Bitcoin than the altcoins. Now, if this rolls over, altcoins take off. But listen, this thing can run all the way up here to 70% and then roll over and give us an altcoin season. So before you fall in love with these alts, wait for this thing to roll over. However, Bitcoin's going to drag the altcoins higher, just at a different pace than it would if Bitcoin dominance were trending lower. So these are the markings, and I just left them on here from yesterday's video just to show you. We talked about, you get this breakout, then you're going to potentially right here, and you're at 28,800, right? So not quite 30,000, but you got to put in a higher high. You got to break above this level, because what that would form would be potentially a higher low and then another higher high where this comes up here, and then another higher low. And the next thing you know, you've got an uptrend. And Bitcoin and altcoins get real easy to trade spot. And you put a little bit of leverage bot behind them and you make a killing. Now, there's also an idea here I want to go over with you, where if you were to see the price retrace and come down to about this level, around 27,000, and then bounce, that is a bullish retest. And again, another push higher is possible based on that idea. And so it's real important to understand bullish retests. This is basic stuff. You got to know it. And if you are in a position where you're trying to make a lot of money in crypto, you need to be in my learning group. Gem pick bangers take off soon as Bitcoin takes off, and we make a killing. And Bitcoin's broke out, period. You can join that group. There's 6 groups, cryptorev.net, and we're killing it consistently. The small caps on Kucoin, banging. This is the Bitcoin weekly chart. Because the important part about this is we said Bitcoin had to close the weekly above the 200 simple, which it's still Tuesday and it's early. But you've printed a nice reversal idea, but the bulls have to continue to show up and you got to close above the 200 because this has been the bottom signal for the market, for Bitcoin, for years and years and years. This is a panic situation. You dropped it, you gain right back. This is the boring bear run of 2018, and I walked the group through it, and we made a killing just buying these double-digit red days. You'd see, I remember I saw Vechain down 40%, and I freaking loaded up, and it popped right back up. I was happy with 20-30% gains because it was quick, right? You had altcoin season, but the point is, this is the bottom. This is the bottom. Right here, the price action is below the bottom, and now it's trying to regain above the bottom. And the Bitcoin weekly chart will give you this confirmation. And so we talked about yesterday how there's a chance that this could break lower, 68%. And like I said, there's always the person in the comments that say, but Chris, you're saying it could break up and it could break down. Listen, wait for the weekly to close and then make the trade based on that idea. But clearly, you go back to the lower term time frames and this thing broke out. Now, will it retest or will it continue higher? Right? So the most important idea, and I told you this exact idea, you got bullish divergence and a falling wedge, 68% chance of a break higher, you got your break higher. But Bitcoin dominance is booming, and so the altcoins aren't really moving well. This is Ethereum market cap. The article talks about how it's higher than all the altcoins for the first time over 2 years. A lot of people think Ethereum is safe. So the market capitalization surpassed all altcoins since the first time since February 2021, right? So this hasn't happened for 28 months. It's outperforming all the altcoins. And let me show you what it's doing. Ethereum chart. I mean, it's not amazing. However, it's setting up. And again, we're in a situation where because of the government in the United States, you're in a situation where people just want to trade crypto. You got a falling wedge, 68% chance this breaks higher. And if it does, you're going to get a move essentially right up here, where the measured move is this level. If you get the breakout, you're coming up here to $2,175, right? If this thing rolls over, you're coming down to 1,468. So it's an if-then statement. If this one breaks higher, buy the breakout. If it rolls over, short it. This is not technical analysis. Is number one, it's not a crystal ball. Number two, the goal is not to predict the price, but it's going to give you an edge, a huge edge. I've got 5,000 stories that people sent me over the years of life-changing money, period. I mean, I've got doctors that have quit their job, one job because he made a ton of money in the group. One gentleman actually owns an exchange. He started out with 500,000 and actually he started out with $1 million. He lost 500,000 and then he turned 500,000 into $8 million. Obviously, he's been killing it. Like, you start to get some positive momentum in your trading skills, everything changes. So join the learning group, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer. Right now, it's ridiculously cheap. An institutional crypto exchange backed by Fidelity, Schwab, and Citadel launches today. So this is all the news, right? And they are not directly catering to retail investors. they focus on institutional traders. So EDX is not registered with the SEC, and it only lists 4 crypto assets. It lists Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Ethereum. And it's not even registered with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC. Gary Gensler, the commissioner, has repeatedly advised crypto firms to come in and register. And that's the thing, like all these exchanges, like all they have to do in these cryptos, all they have to do is register. Like it's the unregistered securities that are causing the issues. Again, the SEC filed several enforcement charges against crypto firms for federal securities law violations. Binance US under scrutiny. You got Coinbase under scrutiny. And then up pops EDX, ready to cater to Citadel Securities, a huge market maker, Fidelity Investments, and Charles Schwab. As of June the 20th, it went live today. And what did you see? Pump City. So now, the most important thing is you got to see Bitcoin put in a higher high, right? A higher high above this high. And it really needs to be a higher high, right? And then you put in a higher low, and then you put in a higher high, and you're working higher all of a sudden. And Bitcoin's taken off to 35,000, 40,000. So, told you it was all about to happen. I said the last hope for major upside, and this is it. If the bulls can't hold this and push higher, you're coming back down. And so the most important thing is make a MEXC exchange account today, and you can anytime that there's market movement, you make money. Whether it's short or long, you make money, period. That's the key. You just need the volatility to make money in any market. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.